Hello friends, welcome to techqueries. Today I'm going to unbox my first product, which is a Tata Sky remote. So let's get started. As you can see that it is bought from Amazon, and I bought this for 500 rupees. I will give the link of this product in the description. So let's unbox it first. As we unboxed it, we got our remote and batteries. So let me put the batteries. As you can see that light is blinking, it means remote is in working condition and it is working nicely. And in the back you will see that it is written for universal remote, means it is a original remote, and we can use this for pairing with other remote. So thank you for watching this video.